In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin notes in Obsidian. Pinning is a simple way to keep an important note visible while you move around and work in other files, so you don't lose your place or break your flow. Start by opening any note inside your Obsidian vault. Your vault is just your collection of notes, so choose something you want to keep handy. Maybe a project overview, a daily checklist, or a reference you'll consult as you browse. Once the note is open, take a look at the top of the workspace. You'll see a tab for the note you're viewing. Each note you open gets its own tab, and this is what we'll use to pin it in place. Now, hover over that note's tab and right-click it to bring up the tab menu. If you prefer not to right-click, look for the tab's menu button, which opens the same set of options. From this menu, select Pin. The moment you do, the tab becomes locked so it won't be replaced as you navigate elsewhere. To confirm it worked, check for a small pin icon on the Notes tab. That icon is your visual signal that the tab is pinned. It's a helpful reminder that this tab won't change when you open another note, so you can trust it to stay put while you explore. With the note pinned, continue opening other notes as you normally would. Click around in your File Explorer, use Search, or follow links. Instead of replacing the pinned note, Obsidian will open new notes in a separate tab, keeping your pinned note safely in place. This lets you refer back to your key information at any time without hunting for it again. It's especially useful when you're writing and need a source nearby, planning a project while checking related files, or keeping a to-do list visible while you work. If you don't immediately see the effect, try opening a few different notes to notice how the pinned one remains unchanged. The experience is meant to be seamless. Your reference stays where you left it, and everything else opens alongside it. That's all there is to it. Open a note, locate its tab, use the tab menu to pin it, make sure you see the pin icon, and then browse freely without losing your anchor. With this simple habit, you can keep context at your fingertips and move faster through your notes without constant backtracking.